I just woke up because I was a little sick. So this is now officially winter once again in my 30 years in Michigan. It looks pretty out though. It looks pretty right now. I'll hate it like by tomorrow. But I wanted to at least snap some footage of it. Let's see what it actually looks like without the screen door closed. If I can get it open. Too bad Michigan State's not playing Ohio State at home today. This might have helped them win. Maybe not. Oh, cool. I can't open it. Gorgeous Michigan, like usual. Ann Arbor. Have a happy day, everyone. Enjoy the snow. Make a snowman if you're somewhere where it snows. If not, I send you some cold greetings. Ha ha ha.